If you want to be walking distance to luxury shops and restaurants here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area under $1 million, then this one is for you. This fully detached walk-up unit offers direct access to all the luxury shops and restaurants of Plano's Legacy West development. The first floor features 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom, perfect for guests, a workout space, or a home office. It's got an oversized 2-car garage with extra storage space. Then upstairs, you'll find the open concept main living area with plenty of space for your large dining table. It's filled with natural light. It's got a covered balcony for morning coffee or evening unwinding and is equipped with a kitchen that checks every box, an Eden Island 6-burner monogram gas cooktop and a coffee bar with a built-in wine fridge. It's got the half bath for the guests and the primary suite with a luxury bathroom including dual sinks, a glass shower, and a huge walk-in closet. To schedule a tour, or if you'd like me to help you find your dream home, or if you'd like your home professionally marketed like this one, call me today, because here at Bear Coast Real Estate, we believe every home deserves world-class marketing regardless of the price point.